My dear friends, good morning. I am Ajay Kumar Tyagi again. Today I will discuss war, World War First. Dear friends, it started on July 28, 1914 and ended November 11, 1918. The cause of the war, people think, might be militarism. Second is narrow nationalism and competitive patriotism. Economic imperialism. Every country wants to be economically strong that time. Anglo-German rivalry and the Charter of William II. Fifth reason was lack of international organization. But what was the immediate cause? The immediate cause of the war was the murder of Archduke Ferdinand, who was heir to the Austrian throne. He and his wife Sophie were killed at Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia, and annexed territory of Austria by Serbian. The Austrian-held government of Serbia responsible for the murder and ultimately attacked Serbia. There was strong rivalry between Austrian-Hungary and Serbia in the Balkans. To begin with, the Austria was in favor of local war, but as the time passed, the situation became more grave. Other countries jumped into the fray. Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey and Bulgaria were on the one side and they were called Central Powers. On the other side were England, France, Serbia, Belgium, Japan and Russia. They were called the Allied Powers. So World War was between Central Powers and Allied Powers. The Allied Powers joined by Italy in 1915 and USA in 1970, followed by the war started from July 28, 1914 and ended on November 11, 1918. Peace settlement. The Central Powers were completely defeated by the Allied Powers and an armistice was signed on November 11, 1918, followed by the peace conference at Paris. The defeated countries were not represented at the peace conference, though the number of countries represented by the peace conference was 27. The terms of the peace treaty were really decided by three countries only: USA, Britain and France. These were the three pivotal countries. Those decided the terms and conditions of the treaty. The three persons who played the determining role in framing the terms of the treaties were Woodrow Wilson, President of the USA, Lloyd George, Prime Minister of Britain, and George Clemenceau, Prime Minister of France. After prolonged discussion, the Treaty of Versailles is the city in France, was signed between the Allies and Allies of Germany on June 28, 1919. This treaty rearranged the boundaries of the Europe and many new states like Poland, Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Estonia, Lithuania, etc. were formed. William II, the German Emperor, abdicated and took asylum in the Netherlands, nowadays Holland. The treaty also contained provisions for disarming Germany. The strength of her army was to be limited to 1 lakh troops only. Germany was to pay sterling pound 6 crore 50 lakhs as war reparation for damage done to the Allied during the war. The Treaty of Versailles were followed by the Treaty of Saint Germany 1990, the Treaty of Neuilly 1919, Treaty of Trianon 1920 and the Treaty of Sevres 1920. The peace settlement of 1919-20 has been severely criticized. The terms of the Treaty of Versailles were harsh and humiliating for Germany. The peace settlement was based on the principle: to the victors belong the spoils and allies are the victors. Meanwhile, many suggestions were made from time to time for the creation of an international organization which could check wars in the future. At the instance of Woodrow Wilson, the President of the America, the League of Nations officially came into existence on January 10, 1920. Its headquarters was fixed at Geneva in Switzerland. Thank you.